Alright, so that's the first glimpse of the masjid that's haunted. What's it called, bro?
I think it's Ali Masjid.
Ali Masjid.
Man, I don't remember actually.
Okay, we'll find it, man. Other than that, we're gonna go to a haunted mosque today. It's a haunted mosque. It's like an abandoned mosque, huh? No prayers there. Do they pray?
Now they do pray.
They pray to drive away the spirits.
Maybe.
But it's a haunted mosque.
I've never been to that place personally, so I can't really tell you how the things really are, but we're about to explore it.
Yeah. But everybody knows it's haunted, huh?
Everybody knows it's haunted.
We're gonna go that side of the fence and see what's up. The first glimpse I have of this, I was like, there's something about
There
it.
was a bit of a story about this masjid that the upper story of this masjid had something wrong.
The upper
Story.
Upper story.
Yeah.
What was wrong?
Something
Some paranormal activity.
Yeah. I don't believe in it, but let's find out. Dogs. Ask dogs. Dogs insenselessly.
Alright, so we're entering the haunted mosque. Hey dogs, what's up? Aajo. They're like the sneak out dogs.
Look at your wild self.
No, it's the ghost of the mosque, man. So it says that this is the second largest mosque in the city after the Jamia Masjid that we went to before this. But it isn't talking about the haunted thing. What's up with that? Very old priest. Hello ji, Assalamu alaikum.
अब कब से खुली? 10 12 12 10 15 बंद क्यों थी वैसे? अच्छा
सुना है हॉन्टेड वाला कहानी है इधर। हाँ
अंकल को ज़्यादा पता है।
आप यहीं रहते हैं? आपने तो देखा होगा बहुत कुछ फिर।
अब कहाँ यार, यहाँ डरते थे
सब डरते थे। भूत था यहाँ पे। ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे था, नीचे वाले फ्लोर पे? इधर ही। अच्छा, ऐसा क्या घटना हुआ कि लगा लोग को भूत है? क्या हुआ?
वो याद ही नहीं है क्या।
मेमोरी गॉन
थी ऑलरेडी। ये बंद थी।
फिर किसने खोला इसे?
जब यहाँ बस्ती आई यहाँ, ये जो इलाका था ना ये वाला, इससे पीछे यहाँ शाली था, यहाँ कोई बस्ती नहीं थी।
सन्नाटा।
जो ये रास्ता जाता ना हवल की तरफ, कोई रास्ता नहीं था, जंगल ही जंगल था।
तो कितने साल पुराना बात हुआ ये?
6.5 700 साल
पौने 700 साल का है।
इसमें इमारत दिखी है।
और वो पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटी का कहानी कब का है?
पुराने।
आपको क्या लगता है अभी भी है
क्या?
ऐसा कुछ
ना,
जिन विन?
नहीं खत्म। जब से इसको दरवाजा खोल दिया गया है।
हाँ, दुआ तावीज करी है यहाँ पे।
कुछ नहीं, कोई कहेगा यहाँ शाम को डरते थे यहाँ। जो टांगा था ना पुराने जमाने के घोड़े का टांगा, वही रास्ता था इसको।
सब लकड़ी का था। तो यहाँ पे नमाज होती है अभी? 5 वक्त नमाज हो। फिर तो कहाँ कोई जिन आएगा यहाँ पे? आप यहाँ इमाम जी, आपके जैसे नूरानी लोग यहाँ पे, फिर क्या जिन है ना। अच्छा लगा। ओके। Right, so that was the introduction about the mosque. Here's my friend opening the doors of perception. ताला
narrow
लगा है
passage.
ताला लगा है ना
नहीं तो नहीं लगा.
This is the forbidden floor. Pay attention. ताला लगा. Yeah, although they say that it's not haunted now, they still for some reason lock this. What could be the reason possibly? So I didn't notice it until I started editing the video. Pay attention after I say that man was pure. That guy was very pure, man.
Open the doors for me.
Did you hear it? Did you hear it? There's somebody laughing. Like a woman. Let's hear it again.
Open the doors for me.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright guys, so as I'm editing this video, it's my first time hearing that sound. There were no women in the mosque and there were only two men in front of us. Nobody was behind us. So there was no reason for that sound to be coming. Maybe my ear didn't pick up that sound when I was in the mosque, but the camera did. I have no clue what to think now. But yeah, let's continue the video.
All branches here.
This is like more smooth,
They're polished area.
Assalamu alaikum. We decided to sit and meditate for a while. We didn't decide it, it actually just happened. But as you can see, there are only two people other than us in the praying area. तो अब वो जिन चले गए. आप मिलो मौलाना से जहाँ पे जिनको जिन होता है. कुछ जानना चाह आपने कभी प्रैक्टिस करा कुछ जिन का दुआ? जो इमाम जी हैं वो बड़े हैं काफ़ी बुजुर्ग?
नहीं, हाँ थोड़ा बुजुर्ग, ज़्यादा बुजुर्ग नहीं है, ठीक.
हाँ सूफी. मैं तो ढूंढ रहा हूँ जिन. कोई मौलाना मिले बताए. ऊपर फ्लोर पे मैं गया तो कुछ आहट आई मेरे को. उधर ताला लगा हुआ है.
आप गए हो?
ताला लगा हुआ है बट थोड़ा गया मैं आगे. आज़ान खूबसूरत देते हो. आज़ान खूबसूरत. Just want to talk about some things that were not recorded on my camera, but we heard them through our ears. Things like there was a deal that happened between the first floor and the ground floor of the masjid, where it was decided that the jinns can have the first floor for their purposes, for their spiritual activities, and we can have the ground floor for our prayer purposes. We also heard that when an higher spiritual saint of Islam was sent to talk with the jinns, he was thrown out of the masjid. Like he was literally flying and he went out of the door and he was like banished from the mosque because it was all jinns. But then they gathered more shamans, more old people, and then they do the magic spells, made a deal. First floor yours, ground floor for us. Is that the reason why it's still locked till this day? What do you guys think? Do extraterrestrial entities exist? Have you ever felt, have you ever had an experience like that? Or are we the extraterrestrial beings? Are we the powerful entities that dominate this body, this planet, this realm, the spiritual realm? And is it only just fear that lets us harbor negative energies or low vibrational energies? Or do you think feelings like love, positivity, happiness, ecstasy, bliss, all those things can overcome all these low vibrational things? And do you think is that the only way to not let things like depression, anxiety, or when somebody has schizophrenia, like things like that, not to overcome us? Is that the way? Through a connection with some kind of a higher power that nourishes your soul through its beautiful frequency of love and positivity. Alright guys, here we are. I just exited the premise, the main premise. We're still in the morgues. That's the ladder that leads to the first floor, and that's where the most paranormal activity, people assume that it happened. But what I saw, I only felt good energies here. I think it's also nature of the mind that when you go to a place with a mindset that it's haunted, then you're gonna see things with that filter on, because you're already told that. You can feel like here it's more peaceful and quiet and more meditative. Like when I sat for meditation, I could like go deeper and deeper. But this vlog instinct in me was trying to wake me up from the meditation and record. The thing is that like some years ago, this was in the middle of nowhere. There were no roads, there were no residential areas or anything, and it was all like just remote. And like people who are in the spiritual journey of Islam, they used to come here, old men with spiritual inclinations. Maybe they talked to jinns, probably they had jinns to assist them in their spiritual journey. Maybe they used to come here, and because of the quietness and the remoteness of the place, some magic really used to happen here on a good scale. It's still here, the magic's still here, but at that time maybe it happened at like a at a deep scale, at an intense scale. So I guess that's why people are got scared of the solitude, scared of the remoteness, the wilderness of the area, and yeah, it's a human tendency of the mind to just categorize some things as dark if you don't understand it. But maybe if you understand it, it's just God playing with you, But yeah, everybody had a clean energy here. So that was it, the haunted mosque vlog, guys. Stay tuned for more vlogs, and love is the magic. And if you operate from love, there's no fear, there's no demons, there's nothing. You're the strongest. Love is the strongest key that opens all doors, according to me. You gotta be so pure in your heart to be that love. Alright guys, Har Har Mahadev, Allahu Akbar. Alright bro,
You wouldn't believe what I saw.
what did you see? He knows it, man, he knows it. Shit, man.